Good morning. Today my topic is motion and subtopic is uniform circular motion. When an object moves in a circular path with uniform speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. When the velocity of an object changes, we say that the object is accelerating. The change in the velocity could be due to change in its magnitude or the direction of the motion. Or you are seeing the different figure. Here this is rectangular track, hexagonal tracks in this 6 sides, there in octagonal shape 8 side is there. This is the circular path. Let us consider an example of the motion of a body along a closed path. The path of an athletes along the rectangular track ABCD. This is the rectangular track ABCD. Let us assume that the athlete ran at a uniform speed on the straight path. यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से जो स्पोर्ट्समैन है दौड़ता है ए से फ्रॉम ए टू बी, बी टू सी एंड सी टू डी एंड अगेन डी टू ए and off the track. In order to keep himself on track, he quickly changed his speeds at the corner. How many times will the athletes have to change his direction of the motion? In this, there are 4 directions. He is running in a straight line, but he has to turn 4 times. So 4 times he has change his speeds. He has to change his direction of motion 4 times. 4 times he has to change the direction. Now, suppose instead of a rectangular track, the athlete is running along hexagonal shape. This is the hexagonal shape. And in this 6 sides is there. Hexagonal. The athlete is running along the hexagonal shape path A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, and E, F. In this situation, the athletes will have to change his direction 6 times. In hexagonal shape track, the athlete has to change the direction in 6 times. While he complete one round. For completing one round, he has to change his direction 6 times. In octagonal, having 8 equal sides. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. In octagonal, having 8 sides. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, and F, G. It is observed that as the number of sides of the track increases, the athletes has to take turns more and more. अगर ट्रैक का साइड इंक्रीज करता है, the athletes has to take turns more and more. What would happen to the shape of a track as we go increasing the number of side indefinite? अगर ट्रैक का साइड अगर चेंज करते रहे तो क्या होगा? We will notice that the shape of the track approaches the shape of a circle, और वे एक सर्किल का फॉर्म ले लेगा. And the length of each of the side will decrease. इसमें each of the side the length of each of the side of a circle will decrease to a point. The motion of the athletes moving along a circular path is therefore an example of accelerating motion. ये एग्जाम्पल है. इसमें सर्किल में जो एथलीट्स दौड़ रहा है उसका डायरेक्शन एवरी टर्निंग पॉइंट पर चेंज हो रहा है. We know that the circumference of a circle of a radius r is given by 2 pi r. If the athlete takes t second to go one around the circle, both of radius r, the velocity is given by v is equal to 2 pi r by time. Here 2 pi means 22 by 7, r means radius by time. This is the about the uniform circular motion. You have to note down in your copy and you do the homework, page number 109, 110 in your homework copy, question number 1 to 5. Thank you. Have a nice day.